Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Before 2 minutes, I think my mic is closed. I was muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I told many things. No problem. Okay. So I saying that anyone have any type of doubts regarding last lecture or any Upanishads which we had covered? Yes, Sakshi ma'am, Dipalika ma'am.
Ma'am,
No one?
yesterday I was going through this last Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad,
Yes.
and in which seven, what was that? Seven
Hmm.
angas. So in seven angas, along with five bhutas, in the Gita Press Gorakhpur book, the other two thing was one is Dulok and other one is sun. So is it like that, or we will call something else?
Okay. Okay. So I also concluded this Mandukya Upanishad in 2 slides because I thought that you are facing doubts or problems in learning Mandukya Upanishad. Okay. So the main thing in Mandukya Upanishad, you will have to learn what is that? That first first verse is talking about nature of Omkar, and these are general details about introduction of Upanishad, and after that this whole table. Okay, this is important only. Okay, and I found that if any sadhak who know that this in this Brahma path in correlates with gross body in Jagrat Avastha correlates with amatra. If anybody, if any sadhaka know these points, so these are the results. Okay, means if they know this correlation, then this is their result, fal. If anyone get to know about this, so this is their result. Okay, this is it. Understand?
Sorry, ma'am, what you're saying? Like, if you will get to know the phala of Vaishnavar,
Yes.
then you
Okay,
will.
okay. I'm telling again. Okay, if I know that there is a Brahmapad, there is third part of Brahmapad is Prajna. Okay, which is correlate with causal sharir, causal body, Karan sharir, which is correlated with Shushupti avastha of Atma. Okay, which is correlated with Ma, Ma matra of Omkara. If I know these things, if I got to know these things, after that I can got the result or fal of these things. Means knowing is superior. Okay, if you know anything, so you will get the result, you will get the phala of that object. Okay, of that theory. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, especially you are emphasized on these tables means Matra, Brahmapath, Sharir, and four aspects of Atma and follow and results. So
Yes,
we should not go too deep that what you mentioned in details. So it will no need for exam point of view. Am I right,
yes,
ma'am?
yes, only important this table, just learn this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, and this is we covered. So today we are going to start Aitareya Upanishad. In this we will study about concept of Atma, universe and Brahma. Okay. So first of all, I am telling you the whole story of Aitareya Upanishad. Okay, there is no any story. There is just correlates or there is telling about the creation of Srishti. Okay, creation of Srishti we had earlier also studied in other Upanishads. In which Upanishad we had studied the creation of Srishti? Yes, Sakshi ma'am.
Ma'am, is it Ishavasya Upanishad?
No. Prashna Upanishad, Prana and Rai.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Same as they in Prana in Prashna Upanishad, what are they saying? What are they mention that there is Prajapati and he performed tapa, and after performing tapa he creates two things, two prana and rai. Okay, and everything which is present in material world is uh, based on these prana and rai. Okay, this is their story, their theory of creation of Srishti. Okay, in Aitareya Upanishad there is the same different creation of Srishti, their theory. Okay, so listen, what is their theory? Uh, Same concept is there that first is Paramatma, who is superior. Okay, who is the superior, the first person, first element on this whole world. Okay, so he was thinking, he thought for human being should create, he thinking that I should create uh, something different like human beings. Okay, and I should also create uh, for living them, for giving them a home, different loka. Okay, so Paramatma performing tapa. Okay, and he creates different loka, different lok, different lokpal. Lokpal means who is a controller, head of the lok. Okay, so first of all he creates four loka. How many loka? Four loka. What is their name? Don't try to write in next slide. I mentioned. Okay, so he uh, creates four loka. First is Ambh. Second is Marichi. Third is Mar. And fourth is Apah. 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 Okay. So he creates four loka. Okay. So in Ambh loka, what he what he situates, what he how many lokas is concluded in Ambh. Okay, so the superior loka, which is superior from Swarga lok also, in Ambh loka there is Maha, we had studied Swa Maha Janah Tapah. Okay, so Maha Janah Tapah Satyalok and Dyulok. We had yesterday we had studied Dyulok. Okay, so these are came under in Ambhaloka. Okay, after that came Marichi. Marichi Loka consists that that things which gives light like Surya, Chandrama, stars, concluded in Marichi. Okay, and it now it's Mar. Mar is related to Mrityuloka. Mrityuloka, which is Prithvi. Okay, and after came Apaha. Apaha means Jal, water. Okay, so you can call it Apaha means Patal Lok. Patal Lok, which is under the ground. Understand? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the first concept of first I think 2-3 slokas are saying this message. Okay. Okay, so I think first we cover the short introduction, then we will move again these point. Okay. uh, this Aitreya Upanishad is related with Rigveda. Rigveda's Aranyak branch. Okay, Rigveda's Aranyak branch related with Aitreya. So Rigveda's Aranyak branch have many chapters. Okay, but Aranyak branch 4th, 5th, 6th chapter is talking about creation of Srishti and Brahma Bhav, Brahma Vidya. Okay, Paramdham, Paramatma. So means in Aranyak branch, these chapters are something different. That's why they only lift up those chapters. Understand? Rigveda's Aranyak only 4th, 5th, 6th chapter is came in this Aitreya Upanishad. Is covered in this Aitreya Upanishad. Okay. So it means Aitreya Upanishad has 3 chapters. Okay. Total 3 chapters. First chapter contains 3 khand and second is alone, third is also alone. Okay. Okay. Verse first is talking about creation of Srishti. Okay. Means Parameshwar, Paramatma wanted or want to create something, create human being and loka, different loka for human being. Okay, first of all there is only presence of Paramatma. After that he thought about loka and human being, and with his sankalp, strong determination, he creates loka. Okay, so first of all Paramatma creates loka. Understand? How many loka? 4 loka. What is name? Amb, Marichi, Mar, Apah. Okay, I told you Amb Loka, it concludes uh, Swarg, Dyulok, Maha, Janah, Tapah, Satyalok. Okay, in Marichi contains Antariksh, Prakash Lok. Prakash Lok is like Surya. Okay, Prakash Lok is that loka which provides light, like Surya, moon, stars. Okay, like Earth has no any light. Okay, Earth provides light from sun, moon. Okay, so this is Marichi and Marlok. Mar, it contains Mrityulok, means this Earth. Okay, after that Apaha. Apaha means Jal. It concludes Patal Lok. Okay, after that Paramatma again thought then that he will okay, who will reign and who will hold, who will control these all lokas. Okay, means there are there will be need a principal or head to reign any department, to reign any loka. Understand? To reign a country, we must need a prime minister, president, okay, chief minister. Okay, so that's why he thought that if I made this, so I also had to make Lokpala, okay, controller of their all lokas. So he creates Hiranyagarbha from Jal. So Hiranyagarbha generates from which Mahabhut? Jal. Okay, and with strong determination, strong sankalpa, with tapa, Hiranyagarbha he produce a small egg, okay, a small thing which is like egg shaped, okay, which is like egg shaped, okay, and from this egg, first produce or born a small mouth, okay, means a hole is like a mouth, okay. So from our whole body, first of all, create or or um, develop a mouth. Okay, a hole of mouth. Then means our first thing which is developed in our whole body is mouth. The first thing. After mouth, that creates a whole human body. Okay. So first of all, mouth is came from a egg, egg-like structure, not egg-like structure. And egg-like structure is created from which? Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is creates by Paramatma. Paramatma creates Hiranyagarbha, which is form of Paramatma. But he gave 2 hands, 2 legs, means gross structure. Okay, understand everyone?
So, ma'am, so Paramatma first create Loka. So from
Yes.
Loka, he creates all these Amba, Marichimar, and Appa, and then he creates Lokapal to manage all these things. And from Lokapal, Hiranyagarbha. No, no, no. Then
Okay,
from
okay,
Jala,
okay.
Hiranyagarbha creates, right?
Hmm. He thought that I should create Lokapala. Okay, so first of all, he create himself as a gross body. Okay, and
Which is which
he
is
gave the
Hiranyagarbha.
name Hiranyagarbha. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. And Hiranyagarbha from Jal, he performed tapa and create or produce a small mouth. Okay, like a small egg. Understand? After mouth, it creates all the all the body parts. Okay, like first of all, mouth, then 2 holes of nostrils. Okay, 2 holes of eyes, 2 holes of ears, then small holes of skin, then creates heart, then navel, then ling. Ling means sexual organ. Okay, he created one by one. He creates all the things. Okay,
So, ma'am, they are in order, right?
no need to learn in order. No need to learn.
Okay. Thank
Yes.
you, ma'am.
Mhm. But I mentioned here in order. Okay, like they are saying, first of all, mouth produce, then nostrils, 2 holes of eyes, ears, small holes of skin. Okay, okay. uh, After that, Hiranyagarbha produce all organs. Okay, like nostrils, eyes, ears, skin, heart, navel, and all. Okay, now that all organs all need lokpal. Okay, all organs need lokpal, means they need devata. Okay, so they give all organs have different devata. Okay, like uh, vak indri, here is uh, like mouth. I think I mentioned, I didn't mention mouth devta. It is Agni Dev. Okay, you all mention Agni Dev. Okay, and devta of taste. There is difference between mouth and taste. Okay, means vak indri has Agni Dev, but ras means taste has Varun Dev. Okay, everyone mention, write in your notebook. Mouth has Agni Dev and taste has Varun Dev. Two nostrils have Vayu Dev. Two eyes have Surya Dev. And also Prana Devta is, Prana has Ashwini Devta. Ashwini Devta. Ashwini Dev. Okay. Prana has Ashwini Dev and two nostrils have Vayu Dev. Clear? To that, two eyes have Surya Dev. Two ear has direction of Dev. They didn't mean special devta. Okay, they didn't mention name of any dev or deity for ear. Okay, this told mention only directions. Disha. Okay, uh, deity of directions. Understand? After that, uh, devta of skin holes. Twacha. They didn't mention. Okay, they said that produces uh, skin produces aushadhi and vanaspati. Okay, skin holes produces aushadhi and vanaspati. Now here we can correlate, like skin related with earth panch mahabhut. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, skin is related with earth
Yes,
panch
ma'am.
mahabhut. Earth mahabhut. So from earth we can get aushadhi vanaspati. So there we can correlate directly. In so shloka didn't mention. Okay. After that, heart, hriday have Chandrama Devta. Navel have they mention navel.
Mrityu Devta.
They didn't mention any Devta. Okay.
Ma'am, Mrityu Devta, ma'am.
Not no.
Okay, it is for anal.
Just I had a call. Give me 1 second. Okay.
Banaspati means what?
Vanaspati means different creatures which present on this earth, and Aushadhi, different trees which is generated on earth, means that is related with earth. Okay,
Okay.
but they didn't mention any devta.
Ma'am, Vanaspati is not creature. Creature means, ma'am, like living being. You are saying Vanaspati is something
Yes, yes.
related to
Vanaspati,
vegetation, right?
Vanaspati is like a different
Vegetation,
jiva,
right?
different creatures.
It's not
Different,
related with something like called vegetation or some forest or something like that.
no. Aushadhi and Vanaspati both are develops on this earth. It means this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Anal organ, Gudadwar, its devata is Mrityu Devata. Okay. And ling, sexual organ, its devata is Prajapati. Okay. After that, they also give them space, or a specific organ, that like a nostril, or how. Okay, leave it. Okay, understand now, at this point. Understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So now we are moving in second chapter. First chapter, second khand. Okay. First chapter, second khand. First of all, Paramatma creates devtas. Okay. Lokas. Then devatas. Okay. Like these devatas. Okay. And then fall down them in this world. Like in this world, um, Parabrahma, Parameshwar fall down. All this devtas, Vayu Devta, Surya Devta, direction, Chandrama Devta, Mrityu Devta, with their power. Okay, with their power, or we can say, uh, um, like like this eyes holes. Okay, so they are single. They present on this world. Okay, means they have no any body. God creates all of them, but he did not provide them a body. Means um, God creates our father, mother, we, and our brother and sister, but God did not give us a shelter, a home. Same as God did this, but he did not give any body. Understand? And then Devta seeks, or getting help, that kindly grant us shelter for living in this world. How can we consume food? How can we grow? Because we are, you, uh, mm, like you fall down us with our single identity. Then how we work, like nostril holes? How the single only work without any body, without any space, without any body location. Understand? So what Paramatma did? Paramatma first give a body of cow. Okay, he give a cow, and tell them, uh, all the devtas, that you will work in this body, you will get this body of cow. Okay, but all devtas are not agree with this body. They told that we are not agree with this body. We need some different. Okay, After that, second time, Paramatma gave them Ashwa, horses, a body of horse. But Devta are also not happy with this body. Understand? At last, Paramatma gave the human body. Human body. And at last, every Devta will be happy to see this. Okay, we needed this body. In this body, everyone settle down in their position. We will live happily in this whole body. Okay, this has happened. Understand? They have their theory. They have their theory in their aspect. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So at last, a human body came in this world. Okay, in this earth. And now these are devtas are taking their position. Like nostril go at that position, ears, eyes, they take their all positions. Okay, uh, their physical body, physical organ, and their devta. Okay, after that, uh, okay, we had studied this all. Okay, these are devtas, and these are power. They have power, and these are the shelter. Okay, so in body, they all go and take their shelter, their power. After that, okay. So every organs take their position. Now, next question is they're asking, these devatas are asking question that how will we feed? Okay, give us anna. We need food to get feed ourselves. Okay, we need food, anna. Okay, okay. So this is another concept mentioned in next slide. Yes. So this starts in third khand. Okay, that all devatas now enter in a human body. Okay, all they have their organs. Okay, now they asking we need anna, food. So now Paramatma thought, how can I produce anna? So what did he do? Paramatma performed tapa on jal. It's a mahabhut, okay, also known as apah. So Paramatma performed tapa on apah and created gross body of all panch mahabhut. Gross body, like one is subtle aspect of panch mahabhut. Okay, and here by performing tapa on apah on jal creates gross form of panch mahabhut. Okay, that gross form of panch mahabhut is anna. Okay, so question is how anna generate or produced by Paramatma in Aitareya Upanishad. Okay, so he performed tapa through apaha, and by this creates gross form of panch mahabhut. This is important. Understand everyone? Jal.
Yes, ma'am.
With tap, with strong sankalp, strong determination, it converts into gross form of Panchamahabhut and it converts into Anna. Okay. Now this Anna came to this human body. Okay. Anna in front of him. Okay. Now Parmeshwar also uh, bless all the human beings to Anna. Okay. Now human being, now this body also don't know how to eat Anna, how to feed this Anna. Okay. Means they are too mental. Okay. Now first eyes want to eat them with their power. Okay. Then nostrils want to eat. Then ear want to grasp these Anna through their powers, and every organ. Okay. Like speech, um, through mouth, through mouth, power of speech. Power of speech means only for speaking, only for only by speaking they are grasping or inhaling or taking the Anna, only by speech quality, only by smell, only by seeing, hearing, touch, thought. Okay. But this is not possible. At last, through apanavayu. Through apanavayu means through mouth. Through mouth, but apanavayu. Not by speech quality, by apanavayu, which protects our life. Okay. Through apanavayu, Anna takes inside, Anna gives in our body. Okay. At last they got to know that okay, we will have to eat from our mouth, not the power of speech, ears, eyes, skin. Okay. We get the Anna through apanavayu. Apanavayu is the what we can say, apanavayu is the uh, okay. Apanavayu is like which helps us in inhaling and exhaling. That is mentioned in book. Okay. Apanavayu is helping a human body in swasan prasaswan, praswan, swas praswas, sorry. Okay. Apanvayu is help human body in swas praswas. So that apanvayu help the mouth to get Anna. Okay. I mentioned that out to inward in the form of breathing of pranavayu. So this pranavayu, apanvayu helps breathe in taking breath. Okay. So that apanvayu help us for taking Anna. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sakshi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can correlate with sequence wise, order wise, like first creates loka, then lokapal, then creates anna. Okay, in lokpal there is these organs, they're devtas. Okay, you can correlate with this so that you can easily remember these whole concept. Otherwise, you will confuse. Okay. So here is complete third khand means first chapter. It's complete. Okay. After that, after that, uh, Paramatma thinks that okay, I created Loka, Lokapal, all organs, Devatas, human body also, Manushya body also, and also I give them Anna, food. Okay. Now, now they will they will not remember me. Okay, it means I will also have I will also want to have some space in their human body. Okay, it means Paramatma is thinking that I should also take a seat in their human body, in the human body. Okay, without me, how will they survive? They will not survive without me. So definitely they will need mine. So I will need some space in the whole body. Okay. So
Ma'am,
yes.
sorry for interrupting.
Okay.
It's 7 o'clock. Are we going to exit the class?
Yes, you can hear by video.
So how many slides left, man, for second and
This is,
third?
I think, this is last slide. I think yes. This is,
Okay then.
and these are only for 10 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So where we are, this human body. Okay. We know everything, Lokpal, their devtas, human body, and about An. So where the um, God will situate. Okay. Now this is in here. This is also in Khand 3. Okay, first chapter, third Khand. So Brahma said, where should I situate? Will situate in the human body. So God stretched the human body. God stretched the human body through Murdha, Brahmarandra, and enters in the body. That will be the question. From which part God enters in human body, according to Atreya Upanishad, through Brahmarandra. And here they also give the different name, Brahmarandra, Murdha, they give a different name, Vidrati. This is very, very important. Vidrati. He gave the special name to Brahmarandra, which is mentioned in this reference. First chapter, third Khand, 11th shloka. You can check out it. Okay, if you need. This is giving, and they are saying this Vidrati is giving Brahma Prapti. This is the Brahma Prapti Dwar. So, which is Brahma Prapti Dwar? In mentioned in Aitreya Upanishad, in human body, Vidrati. Other name is Murdha Brahmarandra. Clear? So, from that Vidrati, that part Vidrati, uh, God came in human body. Okay. And again, he is telling about there are three shelters of Paramatma. Paramatma is not fixed only one one shelter. He found three shelters. Okay, in human body. First is heart, in heart. Second is Paramdham Akas. These loka. Second shelter. Third is Brahmand, where every gross, subtle, causal body present. So, Paramatma has three shelters in body. Heart, Paramdham, Paramdham have these lokas, and third is Brahman. Correct? After that, uh, they are also mentioned about these gross, subtle, and causal body. Okay, not confused in this line. Okay, just leave it. Understand till now this point?
Ma'am, three
Yes.
shelters of Paramatma is heart, Paramdham,
Paramdham
Akash,
Akash.
and Brahmand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And Paramdham Akash also consists, they mentioned Satyalok, Golok, Brahmalok, Saket Lok, Kailash Lok. They mention. Okay. After that, in the last verse of first chapter, third Khand, last verse, I think 15, 16, they are giving us advice that try to know the God in this human body, because uh, try to know this God who is living in your heart. know and get the God in this human birth, because only in this human birth you can get to know about God. So try to know about God in this human body. Okay. This is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Paramatma name in verse, first chapter, third khand, 14th shloka. The Paramatma name in a verse. What is name? Idam draha. Idam draha. Also idandraha. This is sandhi vichhed, means break that word. The right point is idandraha. Okay. So this is the word which Paramatma's synonym, we can see. The other name of Paramatma, which is mentioned in only in Aitareya Upanishad in this reference. Okay. Which is what is the meaning of idandraha? Like Indra. Okay, means superior. Understand? Direct question asked, what is mean by idandraha? And what is different name of Paramatma in Aitareya Upanishad? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
This is it. Chapter first, second and third are too short. Easily will cover. Chapter 2, they are saying that there are two birth of jiva in a life. That in a life there are two birth. Everyone have two birth. Okay. First, when we enter in mother's womb. Okay. When sperm and ova meets and become a what we can say, the starting point of
Zygote. Zygote.
zygote. Okay. The very first point when we create by sperm and ova. Okay. When we enters in mother's womb. Okay. And after delivery, that is two birth of Jeev in a life. Okay. And in this chapter 2, all things what are mentioned, that one is father, another is mother. Okay. First, father has virya, sperm, and he will nurture it, nourish it, give portion it to sperm, and after that this enters in body in mother's womb, and in 9 months this mother protect us, like this is part of her body. Okay, so these whole thing mentioned in chapter 2, like a story. Okay. uh, Never came question from this part. Okay. Understand? I mention only in one line that virya present in male body, which nourishes it, and after intimate go in mother's body, which is the first birth of child. Okay. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. After that, this yes, this is important. Story of Rishi Vamadeva. Vamadev. Story of Rishi Vamadeva is mentioned in Aitareya Upanishad. Okay. What is story of Vamadev? His mother, when she was pregnant, Vamadeva in his womb, Vamadev Rishi in his womb, he got to know about the Janam Maran cycle in his womb, in her womb, in his mother's womb. Okay. Vamadev understood the concept behind birth death cycle at the time of when he was in his mother's womb. Okay. Then after 9 months, when Vamadev came out from womb as a child, as a baby, then he get through Urdhva Gati, he reached to Paramdham. Clear? Through Urdhva Gati, he reached to Paramdham because he got to know about birth death cycle in his mother's womb. Clear out? So Rishi Vamadeva concept came in Aitareya Upanishad in second chapter, and this is it. Okay, and after that, chapter 3, they are saying every organ in this human body perform work by the motivation of Paramatma. This concept we also studied in Kane Upanishad also, that every organ work by the motivation of Paramatma. If any sadhak get to know this theory, then definitely he will get Paramdham. Okay, if any sadhak get to know this theory, and also he will go far away from birth death cycle. The benefit to know this thing, fruit, result. Okay, yes. Now this is the last slide and the last conclusion. Understand? Anyone have doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can go, ma'am. Sakshi ma'am, if you have what, so you can go.
I thought, ma'am, it will exceed to like 7:30. That's why I was asking. It's fine.
Okay. So this is it. In last third chapter, they not too much. They mention there are, I think, 5 to 6 shlokas, and they are saying that every human body, every part, every organ is has power to working only because of motivation of Paramatma. If any sadhak get to know this theory, this truth, then he can get the he will reach up to Paramdham, and he will get death far away from birth death cycle. Janma maran se far away. Clear? And this story of Vamadeva, death birth cycle. This is important. Story of Vamadeva. He was in his mother's womb, and he got to know about the birth death cycle in her mother's womb. And after 9 months, when he came out from his mother's womb, through Urdhvagati, he reached to Paramdham. This Paramdham. Okay, this is it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually previous slide mentioned that two birth, uh, yes, chapter 2, two birth of Jiva in a life. So first when a person came out from the mother's womb, that is one birth, and when he reached the Paramdham, that will another one birth. Am
No,
I
no,
right?
no, no, Lipalika, ma'am.
Then okay, can
First,
you explain?
okay. First, you came in your mother womb. First, you came in your mother's womb. How you came? One sperm and ova meet. Okay, then it becomes a zygote. Okay, means the first step of a child, of a baby in womb. Okay, that is our first birth. We came in this world, but we are in the mother's womb. Okay, that is our first birth in mother's womb. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Now I
And
got it. When I came in the mother's womb, that is first birth. When came out from the mother's womb, that is another one birth.
yes.
Okay.
After delivery birth, we came in world. This is our second birth. Clear?
Okay.
Anyone?
Clear, ma'am.
Anyone? Saket ji, Sagar ji, Rajeshwari ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, Sujamanu. Anyone have doubt?
No doubt, no doubt.
So make notes and learn. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just start Shanti part.